If your 13-inch MacBook Pro won't start, stay calm. We'll show reliable troubleshooting. First, note startup behavior, Apple logo, fan activity, or a black screen. Reset SMC, shut down, connect power, hold Shift Control Option and power for 10 seconds, then power on. Reset PRAM/NVRM, restart and hold Command Option PR until the Apple logo appears twice. Boot in safe mode by holding Shift to test with minimal drivers. Next, inspect the Unibody, battery, MagSafe connector, screws, visible board damage, and double-check connections. Check the battery for swelling, loose contacts, or physical damage. Clean ports. Gently brush the MagSafe, USB, and audio ports and check the connector pins. Open the back with correct tools to inspect ribbons, screws, and the logic board. Simple fixes: reseat cables, tighten screws, and swap the MagSafe cable if needed. Stop and get professional help for burns, severe swelling, or persistent no-power issues. Recap: observe startup, reset SMC and PRAM, try safe mode, inspect hardware, and keep backups.